Hey everybody, I'm the Craftacular Creator, back again with a project that's squeak-tacular and camp-tastic all rolled into one. Today I'm sharing a fun fold card that goes together like a belt and buckle, or like a campfire and s'mores, or like cheese and mice at a campsite. You get the picture, it's the perfect pairing. Before we pitch our crafty tent and get the campfire crackling, please do me a favour and get clicky for Vicky. That means like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support keeps my crafty campfire burning and stops me from becoming a lone mouse nibbling scraps in the woods. For this card I used Lawnfawn Dandy Day, Small the Merrier stamp set as well, Let It Shine Starry Skies pattern paper and some craft cardstock. This card was inspired by Creating with Christina. Her video is linked below if you'd like to see her version. I watched her video, scribbled some notes along the way, and here we are. We start with an A2 card base cut from craft cardstock. I trimmed off a 1.5 inch strip from the front. Don't worry, I didn't waste it. That's going to be our tent peg. Our belt strip. From that strip, I cut a 1.25 by 4.5 piece, scored at 4 inches. Voila, that's our belt. Next, I grabbed some Starry Skies paper in navy. I cut 2 strips at 2.25 by 5.25 inches. One went on the front panel, Twinkle Twinkle Crafty Star, and I flipped the other one to glue to the reverse side. So our card has a bit of a double-sided midnight magic. Then I cut a white cardstock panel 4 by 5.5 inches. Here's where things got a bit squeaky. I forgot to add in my scored strip before sticking it down. Classic mouse caught in the trap moment. You'll see evidence of peeled paper in my video, proof that even seasoned crafters sometimes roast their marshmallows a little too long. Don't worry, I corrected it by gluing the scored belt to the back panel edge. Slightly off screen, of course, because my camera apparently decided to go foraging for snacks right at that moment. Once our belt is attached, we add patterned paper cut at 3.75 by 1 inch. Then we make a cute little buckle. 2.25 by 0.75 inches, topped with patterned paper at 2 by 1.5 inches. Frame squares give it some lift, like a marshmallow puffing up over the fire. Stick it on the left-hand side in line with the belt and you've got a fastening as satisfying as zipping up a sleeping bag without catching it on your jumper. Sadly, some of the colouring footage scampered off like a shy woodland mouse, but don't worry, I've included the swatch list. All the little mice, marshmallows and campfire pieces are fussy cut, glued down and arranged to create a cosy camping scene. Inside the card I decorated with the essential ingredients of s'mores. It's more the merrier. With my trusty Misty I stamped "We go together like campfire and s'mores" because let's face it, marshmallows need chocolate like mice need cheese. On the front panel I stamped and cut out the word husband and stuck it down with liquid glue. And voila! A card that's romantic and delicious. And here it is in action. The belt tucks under the buckle, the mice are happily camping, and the whole card opens and closes smoother than a zip on a brand new tent. This project was inspired by Craft Roulette episode 273. The challenge parameters were from a lady to her husband, colours inspired by peppermint sweets, mice camping, I know, best prompt ever, and of course the belt and buckle fold. With mention of Craft Roulette, here is a slide with all the information you need to tempt you into joining in on the fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please get clicky for Vicky if you enjoyed this adventure. Like, share, subscribe and leave me a comment. What's your favourite camping snack? Are you team marshmallow, team chocolate or team just give me the cheese? Until next time, stay crafty, keep your campfire glowing and your cheese safely tucked away. Take care and ta-ta for now.